Chief Meteorologist Brian Hill joining us. Brian, you said you had good news and bad news.
I'm still a little fuzzy on the whole good-bad thing, but we do have an opportunity for rain, and that is good news.
It's on Monday.
Yeah, it's on Monday. As a matter of fact, what a way to brighten your week. Take a look and see. 80 degrees overnight tonight, southeast wind, eventually down to about 7 to 12, but still, you know, out there 20, 25 miles an hour. And again, tomorrow we'll have another breezy afternoon. We'll even start the day 82 to 84 degrees with lots of sunshine, and then that southeast wind starts to increase as the day wears on, working with sunshine to make it a hot one. 98 by noon, 102 by afternoon, and you guessed it, you have a heat index to worry about. That is the temperature and humidity together, making it feel like 116 at McAllen, 114 at Harlingen, and 110 at Brownsville tomorrow. That's what it's going to feel like. So parents, check that back seat. Stay hydrated, everybody. Make sure the pets have plenty of shade and water. Don't forget your sunscreen if you're working outside. But more importantly, remember to replace those AC filters. Don't let those things get away from you. And check on any elderly neighbors and friends. It's been a long time, day after day, of a lot of hot weather. Now, tomorrow's breezes will be certainly welcome when you're outside in the heat and get that blast of air in your face. Southeast wind 15 to 25, gusting to 40 miles an hour. Getting near garbage can alert country there. Now, Edinburgh, you're in the same boat. 97 by noon. Gusty conditions turning breezy as the day wears on. The eventual afternoon temperature, 102, to feel like temperature of about 115. And again, we're all going to be a little bit on the breezy side by afternoon. The heat index for the rest of the week, the weekend, and next week remains fairly high as we push on through. Look at that, 110, 111, 112 to 114, 116. Those air conditioners are really going to get a workout, that's for sure. We still have a fire weather risk concern, and that is that it's worsening with a lack of decent rain and all that afternoon breeze. Any ember from any fire is going to get away from you real fast, so you might want to think twice before doing any burning. The weekend forecast in detail, 102 apiece. So you've got a heat index, 112 to 116, 102. Okay, well, if you're working or playing outdoors, just be prepared. And next week, yes, we do have that opportunity for rain, courtesy of an upper level low coming out of the southwest Gulf of Mexico. Here's us up here, and it's going to come on into Mexico and push in enough energy, hopefully create enough lift to turbocharge the afternoon sea breeze event, and that will help to fire off some showers, maybe even a few rumbles of thunder. And let's hope it just helps on its own. But working with the sea breeze in the afternoon, it could do us a favor. But it's not going to bust the drought, and it's not going to be a panacea. It's just going to be a pitter-patter. That's all I expect. The biggest talk in the tropics remains the dust cloud that's come off Africa and continues to come across the Atlantic. You can see some of the thin stuff making way by Wednesday to Thursday, tomorrow to Thursday, and then on into Friday and the weekend. I think more substantial dust will come our way. Oh boy, we all love that. 7-day forecast takes us right on through with that opportunity for lots of heat, lots of sun and all that, but then that chance for rain on Monday.
We're super excited for that.
Yeah.
40%, yeah, it's going to be exciting.
It's not much, but at least it's something.
I'll take those odds.
Not much, but it's something.